In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can change file and folder permissions on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Let's say for example, this is the file that we are going to change the permission. So what you can do, or this is the folder, you just have to make a right click on that folder and then you have to select the properties option. Once the properties option is up, you will notice the security tab. So click on the security tab. Now here you'll find to change permissions, click edit. So click on the edit button. So here you just have to simply choose the username that you want to give the permission. And then you have here for the allow and deny. So if you are going to allow that username, or if you're going to allow to open the folder or to have permission for the folder, then you just have to simply uncheck this option for deny, since the allow option is grayed out and you cannot make any changes. So if you're going to uncheck the option for deny, that means you're allowing it. But if you're going to deny it, just simply check the option for deny, and that means you are not giving permission. Then you just have to click on apply and click on OK, and then that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.